Good afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon,
Thank
ma'am.
you to all. Thank you for your wishes. Okay. So today, this special occasion, some students will take class instead of me. So it is Rifa. Rifa prepared all those things, and I have given topics to her to take class. Okay, Rifa. Some give me two more minutes. Let me check on whether all have reached or not. Rifa, do you have PPTs to share? Presentations?
I'll share my screen.
Yes, yes. Then I'll do the settings. See, children? See,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm changing the settings for Rifa to share the screen, but please
ma'am.
don't do anything to scratch or something on the screen. Let her do the presentation. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have given her the topic. Rifa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Best of luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So instead of me, Rifa will take class today. You have any doubt, you ask her. She will explain today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Not like the usual class, okay? You should ask her the doubts.
Yes,
Usual
ma'am.
classes, ordinary classes, you won't open the mouth.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you open the mouth, ask something, let her take class. Okay, Rifa, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Okay, Rifa?
A warm pleasant good morning to everyone. So we know today, 5th of September, we are celebrating Teachers' Day. So before me getting into the session or like me explaining the class, let me wish every teachers out there a very happy Teachers' Day. Yeah, we don't say this every day, but still, your inspirational words are always in our hearts and forever in our mind. Thank you for being those stars who make us shine in different way. Okay, so today I'm going to take a short maths class, and it's like we all are going to prove a theorem together. So if you have any doubts regarding the topic, please do clear it with me. So shall we start?
Of course.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Rifa.
Can you see the screen right now?
No.
No.
No?
Yes. Sir. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So here is a figure. Can you see this?
Yes.
Can you see this?
Yes.
So
Yes.
here is a figure and this figure. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So from there is a figure given and we have a question, and from that question we have to prove something. Okay. So can you see the question clearly?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Surya, can you read out the question, please? Surya? Are you there?
In figure. Can I read?
Yes, read.
In figure, OP, OQ, OR, and OS are four rays. Prove that angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS is equal to 360 degrees. Solution.
Okay, that I'll do. So yeah, firstly, let's see the figure. let's see the figure once. And Nirupama, are you there? Nirupama.
Yes.
Okay. So here, I want you to tell me, there is
Yes.
a ray OP. Can you see the ray OP? Can you find it?
Yes.
So this is the ray OP and it is standing on a line.
Yeah, I see.
Okay. Which is that line? Can you name the line?
TOQ.
Yes. So we'll say in statement that ray OP stands on a line TOQ. Thank you, Nirupama. And hence, what we saw next is that, so there, when we add both these angles, we will be getting a sum, like we'll get an answer. So, Hadidi, I want you to tell that what the answer we get after adding both these angles.
180 degree. You will get 180 degree.
Okay. And tell me the reason, or like, how did you find that the sum will be 180
It
degree?
is a linear pair, so the sum will be 180 degree.
It
Very
is
good.
also a straight angle.
So we found out. Yeah, correct. Good, Ashik. So first we'll write that the ray OP is standing on a line TOQ, and then we'll be adding both these angles. That is, we'll be adding angle TOP and angle POQ, and as Hadidi told, we'll be getting the sum as 180 degrees. And the reason is because it is a linear pair, and we can say, as Ashik told, it is a straight angle. So we can find out it easily, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
Children, you
this
can
will be
take
our...
down 1 minute, Rifa. You can take down the
Okay, ma'am.
notes, okay, as she is
Yes, ma'am.
explaining.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rifa, continue.
Okay, ma'am. So this will be our first equation. So is the first equation clear to everyone?
Yes.
If there is
Yes.
any doubt, please feel free to ask me.
No doubt.
Okay. So next we'll be taking another ray. Now first we took the ray OP, and now we are going to take the ray OS. Can you find out ray OS?
Yes.
Fia. Fia.
Yes.
Okay. So can you see ray OS in the figure?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, on which line ray OS is standing on a line? Can you name the line? It's in the figure.
Angle SOQ.
It's not SOQ. I'm asking the line. It's on a line.
TOQ.
Yes, good. So this ray OS is standing on a line TOQ, and that will be the second statement we are going to write. Ray OS stands on a line TOQ. Okay. So here, as before, we added two angles and we got 180 degree. Didn't we get?
Yes.
Here
Yes.
also, this ray OS is dividing, like we can see two angles.
Yes.
So can anyone tell me which are those two angles? Anyone?
Yes. So, ROQ
ROQ. Okay, I'll tell you. Here, if we are adding, please write it down. We add angle TOS plus angle SOQ, and we'll get the sum just like the before. We'll get it. What will we get it? Meghna, are you there? Are you there?
Yes. Yes.
So tell me, what is the sum we are going to get when we add both these angles?
180 degree.
Yeah. Yes, we got the sum as 180 degree. And the reason is just the same, what we found before, okay? But here, we can divide one angle. The angle SOQ is consisting of two angles. Angle SOQ consists of two angles, and we can write that separately so that it matches with the question. So, Ashik,
Yes.
can you tell me, two angles together constitute angle SOQ? Can you name the two angles?
ROP.
No. It's okay.
I don't.
Angle, okay, I'll see. Angle SOQ consists of two smaller angles, and those smaller angles are angle SOR and angle QOR. Okay, so from this we can understand that what did we do? We had two angles that when we added both of them, we got the sum as 180 degrees. But when angle SOQ consisted of two angles, what did we do? We divided it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we can write it like this. To get 180 degree, we should not add just two. We have to add three angles. You know which are those three angles?
SOR.
SOR, okay. Angle SOR and
QOR.
QOR. One more.
OST.
Angle TOS. And what will we get as the answer? Or what is the
90
sum?
degree.
Yes, good. So we got the sum as 180 degree. And this will be our second equation. Is the second equation clear to all?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. Now what we are going to do is a little bit different. We are going to add the first equation and the second equation. So can you guess what will be the sum? Or what will we get as the answer?
360 degree.
Yes. So no, you'll be wondering how. You know how? First
Because-
equation, we got 180 degree. The second equation also, we got 180 degree. So if we are adding first and second equation together, it will be 180 plus 180. And the answer is? Answer is?
360.
Yes. So we are going to write our third equation. We'll be writing it. So angle TOP plus angle
POQ.
POQ plus angle TOS plus angle speak loudly. SOR plus angle QOP. What will we get as the answer? We told it right now.
360 degree.
360 degree.
Yes. So we got the answer as 360. degrees. So you might be wondering, yeah, we got the answer. No, we didn't get the answer. Just check our question. In our question, the question what we have to prove and what we have got is a bit similar, but it's not fully correct. And this is our third equation. And for proving it, we should move to the fourth equation. And that is, when we add two angles from these, we will get a single angle. You know which are they?
TOS.
TOS and one more angle.
POQ.
No,
TOQ.
there is no angle TOQ. It is TOS.
POQ. TOS and POQ.
Yes. So, no, not TOQ. TOP.
TOP plus POQ.
No, no. TOP plus angle TOS.
Ah, yes, yes.
Okay. So, Nas.
Yes.
Okay. So, look, just check the screen. When we are adding both these angles, that is angle TOP and angle TOS, we are getting another angle, a bigger angle. Can you name the angle, please? Just should I show the figure once more?
No, I can see.
Yes. So, what is that angle? Name the angle.
Angle SOQ, POS.
Yes, angle POS. Angle POS. Okay, and this is like the solution. And now we will be writing angle TOP and angle TOS in just one term or in just one angle naming, and that is angle POS. Now let's see. Now we are writing the conclusion. So, therefore, Badra, are you there? Badra? I think she's not there. So, Arjun, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So, help me write the last one. Which all angles are we going to add?
Angle TOP.
No.
Angle POS. Angle POS.
Yes, angle POS. Then?
Angle POQ.
Yes, correct. Angle POQ. Then? Say loudly.
Angle TOQ.
No. Angle
Angle
SOR.
SOR.
And then one more.
QOP.
And angle
QOP.
QOU. One. Okay. Angle QOP. And we got the answer as? What did we get?
360 degree.
360 degrees.
Okay. We got the answer as 360 degrees. So now just check this last statement and the question.
Almost similar.
It looks similar, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Only just the positions are different. So we proved. What did we prove? We proved the question. We proved that angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS gives 360 degree.
Yes.
Okay. So I hope you all understood what
Yes.
I showed you.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So is there any questions?
No.
1 minute, Rifa.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
But
1 minute, Rifa. Let me take a snap of your class.
but
Children, you can ask doubts.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask doubts.
Ma'am,
No
if
doubt.
doubt is there,
Huh?
if doubt is there only,
No
no,
doubt, no doubt.
Then I'll tell Arifa, you tell somebody to explain then.
Who can explain it once more? Anyone is ready?
Explain it. What did she prove? Ask doubts. It is our Rifa, no? You ask doubts. She will explain. Yes, children? Actually, it is angles around a point, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Angles around a point. Okay, Rifa, it is a wonderful class.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was a wonderful class that you explained very nicely. And you can take class instead of me, right? So I'll give some more topics for you. So now I got an idea. That means in some classes, I'll give you some topics. Not only Rifa, here Nas, Adidev and Surya, all the children are capable of taking class. And now I decided that I'll give Rifa some more topics for
Me
the
too.
coming classes. So she can prepare the presentations and she can do the PPTs, she can do the presentations well. Okay, Rifa? So
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you very much. Okay.
Thank you.
Adidev has messaged me. He took class. But I won't leave you. Not maths class. You took some other class, right?
Yes, ma'am. Geography.
So maths class, I'll give some of you some of the topics. Like we are taking the seminars, isn't it?
I am weak, ma'am.
If we are taking the seminars, you can take the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Especially these theorem chapters. If I am taking the theorems every day, it will be boring for you. So
Oh, ma'am, we can
I'll give
also study.
some of you to take class.
Yes, ma'am. We can also study from this.
Yes, Ashik, what are you telling?
And we can also be thorough from other classes also.
Yes. If you take class, you will be thorough with that theorem.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Rifa, I enjoyed it and it was a very good and wonderful and informative class. Isn't it, children? You liked it, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. And you can ask the doubt. You can ask
And
the doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt, ma'am.
Don't tell like that. Don't tell
And
like that. You ask
no
doubt.
doubt, ma'am.
Eh?
No doubt.
I don't believe.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't believe. You just ask her.
No problem, ma'am.
No. You should ask. Don't leave her like that. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? Surya, I will draw that figure once. Will you explain it? Surya?
Ma'am, my connection went in the middle, so I was.
Understood. Connection went in between. I know you better than anyone.
No, ma'am, it's true.
Okay, Surya, I will draw that figure once. And you explain and I ask Rifa how to do it. Okay, Rifa, you select somebody to explain it.
Ma'am, Badra is there?
Yes?
Ma'am, she's only taking the brain hacks.
Yes, Rifa?
Badra.
Badra is there anywhere? I did not see her. Badra, you got a chance to explain. Badra is there? Okay, who will come forward to explain that? I'll draw that figure once. Adidev, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Adidev?
Yes.
Shall I draw that figure once?
Yes.
So you can explain it. It's very easy.
Mm.
Okay, it is very easy. I'll draw that figure. And if you have any doubt, you ask Rifa. Okay, she will explain. She is there to help you. Okay. See, I won't take it again because she explained it very nicely and you all understood it. And if you want, I will take I'll send a photo in the photo of this question in the WhatsApp. Okay. And you can write it. Clear, children? Actually, it is angles around a point. It is angles around a point like this. There are some rays given in the figure. There are some rays given in the figure. And Rifa, will you tell the, will you give the name of this rays?
Yes, ma'am.
This is O.
Angle O, no, ray OP.
Oh, yes. OP on the top.
Yes, ma'am. Slanting, slightly slanting one.
Then this
Then-
one is OQ, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is R. And see, children, for our easiness, for explanation, we need a line over there. We need a line so that we
Construct.
can. Construction is there because we need a line here so that we can prove that it stands on a line. So we are extending this line to left side. This is our construction. So we are using it and with the, drawing with the dotted lines. Okay, now it is clear because in the figure that only this much was given in the figure. Okay, so for our easiness, for to prove it, we are drawing the one more extension in the figure so that it makes a line. If it is a line, it is easy to prove because we know that it is a linear pair. You can make it as a linear pair. So this is the construction. It is not in the figure, but Rifa also has drawn it. It is in with the dotted lines, isn't it, Rifa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to prove. I will give you the question. Question is angle POQ plus angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS equal to 360 degree. Just check it is angle around a point. Clear? Can you see that angles once? Angle POQ. Where is that angle POQ? Yes. Adidev? See, we need a discussion in these type of questions. Okay. So POQ, like Rifa said, you have to discuss with the teacher. Angle POQ. Angle POQ. Shall I mark it? Angle POQ. And angle SOR. SOR is here. And angle POS. POS is here. So in between that, we have drawn that extension. Clear? And one more. Where is that? This one. Can you see that? It is angles around a point. Complete angle, isn't it? It is a complete angle. You know what is a complete angle? Angle around a point. Angles of degree measure of a circle. So how will you get? When you add all these things, you will get 360 degree. Clear? Okay, children. Here there are two types of equation because it is a line. TOQ is a line. On the top there is a linear pair and down also there is a linear pair. Okay. Top is a linear pair. This one is a linear pair and down also a linear pair. Only that. These two equations we are adding. Now you can explain. Now anybody can explain it. Okay, Rifa, will you explain it once again? Since I have drawn here, if you can, you tell me, I will make some different color to it so that they can understand it well. You explain it once again. Okay, Rifa. So where will we start? See, children, you can ask, Rifa, your audio is muted. See, children, Now she will explain. I will draw for her with using different color ink. And if you have any doubt, now you can ask to Rifa. Okay, Rifa?
Okay, ma'am.
So now you can explain.
So firstly, the line T is not there in the firstly figure. This is like, it's a line that we should construct by holding back a line to like by forming a straight angle. So now we are taking the upper one. So we'll say that the ray OP is standing on the line angle on the line TOQ.
Let me draw it. Okay, Rifa, ray OP you are telling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ray OP standing on the line. Which
Line OQ.
Line that you can tell the line with the 3 letters, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is
TOQ.
TOQ. Now I have drawn with the red color. You can see it properly. Okay. So there you can see a linear pair, Rifa. Isn't it? Isn't it, children? Children, now please ask and you respond, please.
So now here we have a linear.
Isn't it?
Or-
Surya, Hadidi, Adidev, Emil, Haynes Steve, Nirubama, I am calling everyone's name. Surya, can you see a linear pair there?
Yes, ma'am.
Rajod? Okay. Prajot, can you see a linear pair? Okay, Surya, will you tell that linear pair's name so that I can write?
PO.
Yes. P, O. Start from T. Start from T. So it will be easy for us to write.
PO. P and POQ.
Yes, yes. TOP. Angle TOP plus angle POQ. Isn't it? Is it correct, Rifa? What
Yes,
you
ma'am.
told? Okay. Okay, now Rifa, you can explain.
So
Shall I
we'll
make it as equation number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you can explain.
So both these angles, when we are adding, the sum will be 180 degree.
180
and
degree, okay. It is linear pairs. Now,
Yes. Now we'll move to the other ray, which is towards the downwards.
Yes.
The ray named OS. So the ray
OS.
is also standing on a line, and that line is line TOQ. The
Q
same line.
itself, same line. So we are going to the down part. We are moving to the down part, and the same line we can see one more linear pair. And now I will draw the same line with this color, pink color, and this ray OS. Clear? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can give one more equation. What is the equation, Rifa?
Angle TOS plus angle SOQ.
Angle
Give one-
TOS plus angle
Angle-
SOQ. See, children, equal to 180 degrees. See, children, when you start, that is the clue. When you start from T. TOP, POQ. Okay. Again, TOS, SOQ. Clear? Okay. So you start from T, so there won't be any mistake. Now, Rifa, you can continue. Okay,
Yes.
if you have any doubt, you ask her. Okay, children, do you have any doubt? Okay, Rifa, continue.
So here we got two angles, but
Yes.
here angle SOQ consists of two smaller angles.
Small
Within it, there
angles. Yes, yes. So here, instead of that SOQ, we are, which color I'll give? All the colors, different colors are used. Okay. Okay, children. Here this SOQ, now it is visible. Isn't it? SOQ with that blue color, it is divided into two parts. Clear? It is divided into two angles. This one.
Yes.
So, Rifa, will you continue?
Yes, ma'am. Those two angles are angle SOR and angle QOR. These
So
two angles.
instead of this SOQ, we are substituting those angles. So you can tell that after substituting what you will get. You can tell that.
After like angle SOQ gives it consists of two of these angles, and now we'll be adding 3 angles together, and we'll get the sum as 180 degree.
Yes. TOS plus angle
SOR
SOR.
plus angle QOP.
Yes. Plus angle
QOP.
QOR. Right? Equal to
No,
180 degree. Correct. Correct, no?
Ma'am, it's QOP, angle QOP.
QO. Right?
No,
This
no,
one, no? This one, no? This one, no? Refer.
Yes, ma'am, it's QOR.
Yes, yes. So it is equation number 1 and equation number 2. One is with the red color and other is with the blue color. Did you see that both equations?
Yes.
So both the equations right side is 180 degree. So when you add, you will get this as 360. And you are adding left side. Left side, it is a long one. That is POQ plus POR, TOP plus POQ plus TOS plus SOR plus QOR. That is all left side. LHS, there are 5 angles. Clear? LHS, there are 5 angles. Did you understand, Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
So LHS, I won't write that LHS because it is simply that the same thing, same thing. Okay, now we will combine 2 angles. What are the 2 angles when we combine? We combine 2 angles. What are the 2 angles? Dear Rifa?
We'll take angle TOP and angle TOS.
Yes, yes. Children, this one, no, this one what we have drawn with the dotted line that we have constructed, right? We have given that. When we have given that, it became 2 angles, right? Isn't it, children?
Yes.
When we have given that dotted line, that angle became 2 parts. So at last we are combining because it was not in our figure. So we are combining those angles. And those angles are TOS and TOP, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
TOS and TOP. When you combine this, you will get the correct our answer. That is angle POS. Now, did you understand? Clear? Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So that TOT that we have constructed, no. If it is not there, that 2 angles will become a single angle. So, and the final step, we will remove those 2 angles and we will write that single angle because that construction is a dotted line and we in the original figure that dotted line is not there. So we are combining that 2 angles as a single angle and we will substitute that. Now is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, you ask her, she will clarify it. Okay, Rifa? So, children, did you understand what she has taken? Is it very clear to you?
Yes.
Is it clear? Girls, Haya, I am not seeing anyone's face. Fia, John, Vishnupriya, Haynes Steve, Emil, Hadi, Melvin, Rose. Is it clear to you? Did you like her class? Did you like her class? Speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Rifa and some other children also can take hereafter. I'll give you some topics. Okay. Okay, children. So, shall I wind up now?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Rifa, congratulations. You have taken very nicely.
Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
I can see a teacher in you, a born teacher.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so develop your talents. Best of luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children, shall I wind up?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
Children.